The platform is designed for trading currencies, stocks, futures, and other popular instruments on financial markets. All available trading symbols are listed in the Market Watch window, from which traders can select required instruments. This window also provides monitoring of current quotes, options for one-click trading, and access to tick data. Furthermore, a chart of any symbol can be opened directly from Market Watch. The platform supports both position accounting systems, netting and hedging. With the netting system, the trader will be able to have only one open position of a financial instrument at a time. This system is traditionally adopted on exchange markets. The hedging system can be used on Forex. Accounts with the hedging option allow opening multiple positions of the same financial instruments of opposite or same direction. On such accounts, it's possible to implement simultaneously multiple manual strategies while trading the same financial assets, as well as to perform trading operations using several trading robots at the same time. The wide functionality available on the platform allows implementing different strategies while performing trading operations at current market prices or using pending orders with a preset lifetime. Position opening levels, stop loss, take profit, and a comment can be specified in a trading request created in the platform. Dozens of built-in indicators, lines and channels can be used for technical analysis of symbol prices. The platform contains additional analytical instruments, Gann, Fibonacci and Elliott tools, as well as graphical objects. Wide visualization options enable operations with pending orders directly on a chart, including creation and deletion of pending orders, as well as modification of stop loss and take profit. The market pulse is best understood from the extended depth of market window, where you can also perform trading operations. The quick trading panel provides another convenient option for performing financial operations with a single mouse click. In the navigator window, users can switch between trading accounts and run scripts, indicators, or trading robots. All open positions and orders are displayed in the Trade tab of the Toolbox window. The current account state can be visually assessed in the Exposure tab. On the History tab, you can view information about all executed trades and request a report for analysis. The News, Calendar and Company tabs provide information delivered by your broker to keep you up to date with important events. The following three tabs displayed additional trading services. The Code Base tab contains over 6,000 trading robots and technical indicators, which can be downloaded and used for free. The Market tab features thousands of trading and analytical applications, which are available for purchase or rent. The Showcase of Signals tab displays trading accounts which can be monitored online. Straight from the platform, you can select a signal provider, subscribe to a signal, and start copy trading. You don't need to perform trading operations. Your platform will automatically copy deals of a selected signal provider. You can make additional income by selling your own trading signals. Register your account in the service as a signal, set your price, and continue to trade. Your signal will become available for subscription. Traders will be able to copy your deal, and you'll receive a fixed monthly income from your subscribers. From the platform, you can also rent a virtual server in just a few clicks for automated trading on your account. Select a hosting site with minimal latency. Choose the rental period and pay using your favorite payment method. The virtual platform provides a convenient way for round-the-clock operation of your robots and trading, based on copied signals. This is much easier than renting a virtual private server from a third-party provider. Another unique service available on the platform is Freelance. From the platform, you can proceed to order a trading application from a professional software developer. Create a new order, check out submitted applications, and select a developer. Then negotiate the price and terms of order. To protect both parties, the money is transferred to the developer's account only upon completion of the order. Should any dispute arise, the parties may apply for arbitration. Any trading robot can be tested in the built-in strategy tester. Set the input parameters of the expert advisor, run it in the strategy tester, and analyze its performance from the resulting reports and detailed charts. To find the best inputs, use the optimization mode, which allows you to test thousands of combinations of input parameters. You can additionally use agents from the MQL5 cloud network, which can save you weeks or even months of searching for the best parameters. That's all about the main features of the trading platform. Watch the next video to find out how to open a trading account and start trading.